Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Today's video is going to focus on family signs. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, the first sign I'm going to show you is for the sign family. Simply take both hands and make an F, bring them together, and you go into a forward arc. Let me show you that from the side. That's how you sign family. Before I forget, let me show you the sign for relative. You actually take both hands, make R's, bring them together, kind of angled, and change places. That is how you sign relative. Now for the signs father and mother. Let's start with father. For the sign father, you simply take the open 5 hand, the thumb touches the forehead twice. Let me show you that from the side. Now there's another way to sign father. You simply take the open 5 hand, the thumb touches the forehead, and the fingers wiggle. Now for the sign mother, it's identical to the sign father, but however, the thumb touches the chin twice. You can do the same thing the other way of signing mother. Simply touch the chin and wiggle the fingers. That is how you sign mother. Now for the sign son and daughter, you simply take, for the sign son, you simply take your dominant hand, bring that up there towards the forehead, bring the fingers together, and then sign baby. Let me show you that one more time. For the sign daughter, you simply take the A hand, bring it down. It's easier for me to bring it down the angle of my jaw and then form baby. Let me show you that one more time. That is the sign for daughter. Now let's go over the signs for brother and sister. I used to have a hard time signing these, I don't know why, but simply take L's on both hands, and I like to put them in the shooting position as if I was shooting something. Take the non-dominant hand, put that right in front of your body, that stays stationary. Take your dominant hand, take the thumb, it touches the forehead for brother, and it comes right down on top of the non-dominant hand. So let me demonstrate that one more time for brother. Now for sister, the non-dominant hand stays in front of the body, but the dominant hand touches the angle of the jaw or the face. Let me show you that one more time. So I'll do brother and sister. Brother, sister. That is how you sign brother and sister. Now let's go over the signs for grandfather and grandmother. For grandfather, you simply take an open 5 hand. The thumb starts out by touching the forehead and it goes into a forward arc twice. Let me do that from the side. Now for grandmother, same sign, except the location is different. You take the thumb and place it on the chin, go for it twice. Let me show you that from the side. That is how you sign grandmother. Now for grandparents, you can do both of them so that I know you're talking about both grandfather and the grandmother. Now let's go over the signs for cousins. Now the generic sign in this initialized sign, you form a C with your dominant hand and you shake it over here towards the side of the face. However, if it's a male cousin and you know it's a male cousin, you take the C up towards the temple and you shake it. It's higher up. Now if you know it's a female, you just bring it down there towards the angle of the jaw or down there, down further on the face, and you shake it forward. So let me demonstrate that one more time for a male cousin and for a female cousin. That's how you sign cousins. For niece and nephew, let's start with nephew. You actually form an N, bring that up just like you did with cousin, bring that up towards the temple and you shake it twice. For niece, down there towards the angle of the jaw, twice. That's how you sign nephew and niece. Now, these are just very basic signs. How about grandson and granddaughter? Before I forget, for grandson and granddaughter, it's a little different. You're going to finger spell grand. and then you'll sign son. So let me demonstrate that one more time. Grandson and granddaughter. Would you like me to do that one more time? Grandson and granddaughter. Now these are very basic family signs. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you learned anything from this video, please hit the like button and don't forget, subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.